Welcome to TT's Corner. I was just about to go on the road and I turned my phone onto TikTok and I saw something and I had to turn back and address it quick and fast. I just saw a video of a female who have some kind of interaction with Mr. Vegas. And she came and she was saying that some demoralizing thing about his son at 13, performing some sexual act at 13 years old. And she's putting that on the internet because she have a problem with his dad. And I see people in the comments cheering her on and even saying like father like son and all these things. Remember, he was 13 years old. Okay? Also, that kid was molested. He was molested. He also tried to commit suicide. He tried to commit suicide, and his parents now has placed him in therapy. And for you who states that you're a mother who knows children are off limits, and also, as I said, he was molested and he tried to off himself, and you come on the internet and say that about that kid. It is so repulsive that you did that. And it's even worse to see people who are mothers, not only that, parents who agree with you. A lot of them is just because of Mr. Vegas' political affiliation, and that is wrong. That kid tried to off himself and he's in therapy. You putting that on the internet can end up do harm to that kid. You coming out and do that, if Mr. Vegas call you wingworm, you can call Mr. Vegas any name in the book. But I'm a mother, and it hurts to know that you put that kid went through trauma. That kid went through trauma. And he tried to harm himself. And he's in therapy. And you come on the internet and do that. And then people is wondering why the heck Jamaica gets such a hurricane. It's because a lot of us are evil. I'm a mother. You said you're a mother. You shouldn't. The kids are off limits. You should son knows better, but he doesn't even really watch Jamaican Spaces, so he wouldn't even know about you. So he wouldn't know and carry you in my presence. And anybody who knows me know that I advocate for children. And I'm telling you, and if I search the internet where your video is posted, and anybody who knows me, I see them commenting in agreement with you, they know it's over for me and them. This hurt my spirit. It hurt my spirit, and the people who is co-signing to the bullshit is worse than her. This kid, oh God, I've been through a lot, and this what you did can set him back. And even by the grace of God, I hope he doesn't see that harm himself because of you. That's evil. If his father called you a goddamn wingworm, call his father back something, but putting that crap on the internet about that kid is, oh my God, it's malicious. And it is outright dangerous. God Almighty, man. We have no compassion. We doesn't care about our fellow men. Where is the statement that kids are off limits? Kids are goddamn off limits. And I don't want to curse, but I had no choice. God help us all. Jesus Christ, man.